According to her, whoever loves discipline loves knowledge. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Joanne Santos, our campus figure candidate number 2. Candidate number 3 from the computer department, Miss Shane DeVelos. She's 17 years old. Her hobbies are singing and dancing. She believes that the real meaning of beauty is from within, not from the outside look.